the hidden treasures of the Himalayas.
Part 10, Nagaland, the Land of Nagas. Chapter 8. Chakru/Chokri language. Question 1. What is the Chokri language? Chokri, also known as Chakru or Eastern Angami, is a Tibeto-Burman language spoken by the Chakesang Naga tribe in Nagaland, India. It belongs to the Angami-Pachuri subgroup and is tonal with complex phonology. It uses a Roman script and is mutually intelligible with related dialects like Keza. Chokri is used in daily life, education, and media in the region. Question 2. How many speakers does Chokri have? Chokri is spoken by approximately 80,000 to 100,000 people, primarily within the Chakesang tribe, which totals 154,874, 2011 census. It's one of the key languages in Phek District, with vitality supported by community use and schools, though English and Nagamese are lingua francas. Question 3. What is the history of Chokri/Chakesang speakers? The Chakesang, speakers of Chokri and related dialects, originated from Naga migrations, forming in 1946 as an acronym from Chakru, Chokri, Keza, and Southern Sangtam, later Pochuri. Historically warriors with headhunting traditions, they adopted Christianity in the 19th century via missionaries. They resisted British rule and now focus on agriculture and festivals. Question 4. What is the traditional dress of Chokri speakers? Chakesang traditional attire is vibrant and colorful, featuring shawls, for men and women, with intricate patterns symbolizing status. Men wear black shawls with red borders, while women don skirts and wraps in bright hues. During festivals like Hornbill, they showcase feather headdresses and bead jewelry, reflecting Naga heritage. Question 5. What is the cuisine of Chokri speakers? Chakesang cuisine emphasizes fermented foods, smoked meats, and local produce. Staples include axone, fermented soybean, bamboo shoots, and rice beer, zutho. Dishes like pork with unishi, fermented yam leaves, and king chili, but jolokia, are common, often spicy and preserved for hilly terrains. Question 6. What festivals do Chokri speakers celebrate? They participate in the Hornbill Festival, December, showcasing Naga culture. Tribe-specific festivals include Tsokam, harvest in October, and Thuni, post-harvest in January, featuring dances, feasts, and folk songs. Sikrenii, February, involves purification rituals, emphasizing community and agriculture. Question 7. What is the behavior and culture of Chokri speakers? Chakesang people are known for hospitality, community spirit, and resilience. Predominantly Christian, they value mutual support, oral traditions, and eco-friendly practices like jum farming. Behavior emphasizes respect for elders, gender roles in festivals, and peaceful coexistence post-headhunting era. Question 8. What is the principal residence district of Chokri speakers? The principal district is Phek in southern Nagaland, home to most Chakesang villages. Some reside in the Ukral district, Manipur. Phek is hilly, with agriculture as the mainstay. According to the 2011 census of India, there are 91,010 Chokri speakers in Nagaland. Out of this, 87,847 live in Phek District and 2,283 in Kohima District. Question 9. What are the places of interest? Key sites in Phek District include Zuku Valley, Trekking Haven, Glory Peak, Views. Futsuro, Highest Town, and Kasama Heritage Village, Hornbill Venue. Historical villages like Kanoma, Asia's first green village, offer cultural insights. Question 10. What are the transportation, principal rivers, and mountains? Reach Phek via Dimapur Airport, 140 kilometers away, then by road, NH 29, or bus, 4 to 5 hours. Principal river, Tizu, flows through Phek. Mountains, Kapamadzu, the highest in the district, and parts of the Naga Hills.